Today I'm going to show you how to turn on sound on Reddit. Let's get started. First, let's open the Reddit app on your mobile device. Now tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now go to settings from the menu. Now let's adjust the sound settings. Scroll down to the advanced option. Look for the enable sound option and toggle it on. If this is toggled on, simply toggle it off. This will not mute videos by default. Now to ensure sound is working, let's check a post with audio. Find a post that includes a video.
He said he thinks that he's always been looking for an older woman because mentally he feels very far ahead of friends.
And tap on it to play. If the sound is on, then you are all ready to hear the sound on Reddit. And that's it. You've successfully turned on sound on Reddit.